Assalamu alaikum. This is Sameer Fareed, and today we will see the complete procedure how you can attest your documents from HEC. Before going to HEC office or booking your appointment, you need to verify, attest your degrees, document, transcripts, anything from firstly from your university, and don't go before doing this process. Okay, otherwise HEC will not accept your documents. And so first step is to approve or attest your documents from your recognized university. All right, so before going into it, we need to book appointment. And in a case if you are a student of University of Sargodha, I have already uploaded a relevant video for especially for the student of Sargodha, how you can verify your attest your degrees, transcript, documents from your university. So let's start with the verification from HEC. As you can see, I have completed my procedure, so my status is approved, my documents are already approved. But you won't see such kind of status. Okay, you will might be see proceeding or such kind of topic. So first of all, you need to click here degree attestation after logging in HEC e-service portal. Okay, okay, let me make it more easy for you. Just write e-services HEC portal. Okay, then it will automatically open HEC e-services portal for you. Okay, and after signing up, you will see such kind of interface. Okay, uh, we have to confirm this all of these details. You have to provide correct information. Okay, and this is the interface you will see. First of all, provide personal details, then detail of degrees, then attestation details, then document upload, then verify details. Okay, so after completion of these basic information, you have to download your form. Okay, you will download your form here, and in this way you will book your appointment. Okay, the appointment process is quite easy. You don't need to worry about it. After paying online your fees, you can pay your fee through Jazz Cash, Easy Paisa, easily. Okay, and after completion of this procedure, print your application form, and then bring as per your appointment to the HEC office. In Islamabad, the HEC office is located in H8, and after reaching HEC office, you have to wait there. First of all, you will be given a ticket, and then you have to wait in waiting area for your turn, and when you will be called, you have to provide your all of your education documents from bring all of your documents from matriculation to your higher education, your matric result card, your inter result card, and your transcript of higher education, your BS degree, MA, whatever it is. So bring all of these education documents, and most importantly, never forget to leave your CNIC. Your original CNIC must be with you in HEC office, and a photocopy of it, a photocopy of CNIC should be with you. So these documents you will staple them and provide to HEC counter, and they will receive it, and after the wait of almost 3 hours, they will attest your degrees. And what this first they see is it attested from your recognized relevant university or not. Okay, so that's why I am again and again focusing on or assisting to attest your degrees, transcripts from your relevant university first, and then go to the HEC office. So they will submit your documents, and then after the wait of 3 hours, for example, just in a case you provide them documents at 12 o'clock, and after 3 hours, like 3 p.m., they will provide you documents after the attestation. And another important thing is, before leaving HEC office, just check is all of your documents are safely returned or not. It might be missing, so you need to verify all of your documents. Is it available in your file or not before leaving HEC office? And after finding rechecking your documents, just leave the HEC office. Okay, that's all. in this procedure, and at the end of this process you will receive such kind of stamps on the back of your degree transcript. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, and inshallah I will keep bringing such fruitful videos on this YouTube channel for students. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Jazakallah.